Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at Apple on the daily, weekly, and 5-minute time frame. Very bullish day today, keeping in mind that the overall pattern is still lower highs and lower lows since we hit the top back in mid-August, but it did stand out. Apple did stand out as one of the biggest bulls today, and I'll show you on the shorter term time frames the comparisons. But we're looking at resistance. We still have the 10-day moving average resistance and the middle Bollinger Band. The middle Bollinger Band is the key for me. If the bulls get it back above that level, I will begin to be looking for the strength to continue. But as of right now, 106.35 resistance, 107.50 resistance after that. Those are going to descend each day, so it's important to update them. We also have the high of Friday, 105.72, a double top with the high of today, so that's a key resistance level as well. On any kind of rejection, the bulls will look to hold the 50-day moving average support, 103.59, and increasing. In the weekly time frame is bouncing off the 50-week, 103.08, and trying to close above the 10-week at 104.83 by the end of the week. So a bullish day, still has some proving to do for the bulls to turn things around here. We have been consolidating. We've got some downtrend resistance lines we could be watching, hitting the lower highs, but I'm just going to be looking at the lower high levels, knowing that we need to break 108.76 to turn things around here on the daily time frame. So what were some of the indications that Apple was one of the strongest names on the 5-minute chart? We can compare with SPY, as SPY is the S&P 500, and a lot of names were following alongside SPY. So a very bullish first 10 minutes, and these two candlesticks are seen across the board. See them on Facebook, Amazon, Netflix. But what stands out here for Apple is the first candlestick closed above all 5-minute moving average resistances. And you look at SPY, and you see that it didn't do that until a half an hour into the day. You look at Netflix, and it took 10 minutes to get above that level. Netflix was the second fastest I saw. And then you've got, well, we already looked at Apple. Let's go to Facebook. Facebook took even longer, and Amazon took even longer to turn all 5-minute moving averages into support. So right out of the gate, all 5-minute moving averages are support. Consolidation bouncing off the exponential moving average, higher highs, and the higher low, higher high pattern continued for quite some time. Hourly time frame also gained the 20-period moving average as support on the first candlestick. And yet again, SPY closed right at that resistance. Let's check Amazon. Amazon rejected on the first candlestick. Facebook rejected. And let's check Netflix last here. Netflix was also very bullish. So Apple standing out as a lead bull due to the hourly and 5-minute moving averages. And the strength continued into the end of the day. We did have a moment here where it looked like weakness was creeping in, but then the bulls showed back up in the markets, carried Apple higher, and still holding strong here after hours. So we're going to need to be watching key support on any kind of pullback. The bulls need to hold this 20-period moving average support to show higher lows and continuation of the bullish pattern. And we can also look at the low of this consolidation. The low was 104.33, 104.23 on this candlestick. So as long as the bulls form a higher low on any pullback compared to 104.23, the higher low pattern will be maintained. We've got these resistances on the hourly in the 106 range, and we've got that 10-day moving average resistance, which should be in the low 106 range tomorrow at the open as well. So really important for the bulls to get another green day tomorrow to confirm this big bullish reversal candlestick and to erase any doubts that it might just be an oversold bounce with the market. So I appreciate you watching. We'll keep checking in on Facebook or on Apple here. Need that middle Bollinger Band as support. It has been a tough resistance here ever since we lost it as support, and tomorrow will be very telling. Thanks for watching.